The tech world has been buzzing with speculation regarding Apple's potential plans for a refreshed iPad mini. While the company hasn't made any official announcements, various sources and analysts have shared insights into what we might expect. One of the most persistent rumors revolves around an upgraded processor. It's widely anticipated that Apple will equip the new iPad mini with a more powerful chip, likely from its A-series lineup. This would result in improved performance, allowing for smoother multitasking and handling demanding tasks. Another area of focus has been the display. Some reports suggest that Apple might opt for a larger screen size than previous iPad mini models. This could provide a more immersive experience for media consumption and productivity. Additionally, there's speculation about potential improvements to the display's resolution and color accuracy. Finally, design is another aspect that has garnered attention. While the overall form factor of the iPad mini is likely to remain compact, there's a possibility of subtle design tweaks, such as thinner bezels or a different color palette. It's important to note that these are rumors, and the final product may differ from what's been speculated. However, the consistent chatter surrounding the iPad mini suggests that Apple is indeed considering a new model, and it will be interesting to see what the company unveils when the time comes. Processor power-up. One of the most anticipated features of the iPad mini 7 is its rumored M4 chip. This powerful processor, a substantial upgrade from the A15 Bionic found in the previous model, promises a significant boost in performance. Users can expect smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and enhanced capabilities for demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. A smoother display experience. Another exciting rumor circulating about the iPad mini 7 is the potential for a higher refresh rate display. A 120Hz refresh rate would provide a more fluid and responsive user experience, especially when interacting with content that requires fast-paced visuals, such as scrolling through web pages or playing graphically intensive games. This upgrade would make the iPad mini 7 feel even more modern and enjoyable to use. The iPad mini 7 is poised to deliver a significant performance boost thanks to a substantial upgrade in its RAM capacity. While its predecessor, the iPad mini 6, offered a respectable 4 GB of RAM, the mini 7 is rumored to double that amount, offering a generous 8 GB. This significant increase will empower the device to handle demanding applications with ease, enabling users to seamlessly multitask between various tasks without experiencing lag or slowdown. While the design of the iPad mini 7 may not undergo a radical overhaul compared to its predecessors, there is speculation that it could feature a slightly larger display. This incremental increase in screen size would translate to a more immersive viewing experience for activities such as watching videos, browsing the web, and gaming. The larger display would provide more real estate content, allowing users to enjoy their favorite media in greater detail and with less strain on their eyes. Recent rumors suggest that Apple may be gearing up to release the 7th generation of its popular iPad mini tablet in October 2024. However, it's crucial to approach these claims with a degree of skepticism, as they remain unconfirmed by the tech giant itself. While the October timeframe is a possibility based on current speculation, the exact release date could ultimately vary. Apple is known for its strategic product launches, and factors like manufacturing timelines and market conditions can influence the final timing. As we draw closer to the rumored release window, we can expect more concrete information to emerge. Apple's official announcements, as well as leaks and industry reports, will provide a clearer picture of the iPad mini 7's features, specifications, and pricing.